Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today I thought we would do like an organized little bit of declutter type video. There's like three main things that I kind of had on my mind for a little while that I need to go through, organize, put in one place, that kind of thing. So I thought I'd take you along while I do that. The first thing I'm going to do, I don't know if any of you are like me, but anytime I get an electronic item, I save the box and of course the manuals. And normally I keep all the boxes in one place. However, I have started to realize I have boxes, I think, in 3 different places, which is kind of a problem when I need to find them. Recently I got, a new iPhone and I wanted to trade in my old one, and I always put them back in the original boxes when I trade them in because I ship them back to Apple and it's just easier that way. So when I went to go do that, I had to look in multiple places until I found it, and it took me a while. So it kind of got me thinking, like, I need to get all of those in one central location, so when I do need them, I know exactly where to go. So I'm gonna start with that because that should be very quick. The second thing I wanted to do is go through like bags and purses that I have hanging up on the door to my bedroom. There's too many of them. It's ridiculous. I don't even use half of them. I'm like, it's just time to get rid of some of them, or at least put them in a better place. And then the last thing, I had talked about it months ago when I did like my dresser drawer clean out. I haven't done my closet clean out. Not that I really think we're going to get rid of a lot of clothes, but I do want to go through my closet and kind of clean up certain spots, like where I keep my t-shirts. I have a couple bins that things are just getting a little messy. So I want to go through them, refold stuff, reorganize it. And then if I do happen to see something that needs to be pulled out, donated, gotten rid of, I can do that while I'm in the process of doing this. So those are kind of the 3 main things that we're going to do. Okay, so the first spot that I have a bunch is in this basket. So I'm just going to kind of go through this and pull out the things that need to go in the other room. All right, it's all in one place, one container. It's gonna be so much easier to find. But as you can see, I definitely have a ton of boxes. I guess it's not really that necessary to save them all. I do like to with the Apple products, because when you do trade-ins, it's just easier than trying to find a box to put it in to travel it safely. And by having the originals, you can just throw it in it and ship it back. So yeah, that's fine. But at least they're all in one container now. So task number 1 down. I'm gonna go ahead and put away the few things I got out, and then we're gonna go take care of going through bags. And I wanted to show you while we're in here, I took someone's suggestion to turn the blanket around to white, and that does make a difference. It does look good and better, I think. So I'm happy I kept the pillows. Same thing with the couch ones, I did keep them. But let me show you this. All right, so on the back of my door here, I have, I think, 2 purses, and then you come back here and it's just like bag purse central. So I do want to go through this, like I said, get rid of any of them I'm not using and declutter. And only keep the things that I actually do use, because it feels like a waste to have so many. Okay, only thing I'm keeping up here is the purse that I'm using now, this little net bag for grocery stuff, and my baseball caps. And then for the back of the door, sorry, I don't have any place to put you guys, so I'm gonna hold on to you. Okay, so we're gonna do this one back up here. And this one does have a bunch of the other bags I'm gonna keep in there, but that's more summer stuff. And then this one, obviously it has my initials on it. I do use it all the time to go to friends' houses and take stuff for me and the dog. And then lately, for winter, I've been using this bag that my sister-in-law made me one year for Christmas. So I'm gonna keep that, because I have been using it when I run errands. If I have to take like returns or something, it's just really convenient. So that's what it looks like after, and I would say that looks a lot better. There's only 3 things hanging up there. Okay, and then these ones I'm gonna either donate or throw out depending on how bad they are. I will look at those in a minute. And these are the ones I'm gonna keep. But what I'm going to do, because I'm finding with these cheaper purses that when you hang them up too long, like this faux leather stuff splits, and I don't want that to keep happening. So as soon as I get done going through my closet, I'm hoping to make room for these that I can put them on the shelf, and that way they're not hanging up, but then I also see them every time I go in the closet if I want to change my purse out. Coming to the closet. Now, I don't think there's going to be like a ton. I'll probably reorganize shoes, just double check there's nothing in here I won't wear. The big thing is refolding this and pulling out anything that I haven't worn, because I have a thing where I collect t-shirts. I'm sure you've noticed I pretty much live in t-shirts all the time, but I do have some up there that I know I'm not wearing, so it's time to clear that out. And then up here, I'll probably try to clean this so I can do the purses here. Bras and stuff need to just be reorganized. This is swimwear, my winter stuff right now, like scarves and hats. And then down here, I think I have excess PJs, and that's the dog stuff. So the rest of it, I don't think, in all honesty, like this side, I don't think I really need to do anything with. I've gone through this a number of times and disposed of many clothes, so there's really not much there. I know I probably won't touch the boots. So mainly it's just going to be the other side and this center section being cleaned up. So because this is going to be the big part of it, I'm going to start by pulling them all out and, you know, reorganizing and pulling out anything I don't need. And then that way I can put everything back a little more organized. Okay, and this is all of my like football shirts. I'll be keeping those. These are very well-worn t-shirts I wear all the time. These ones are probably, I think they're my church shirt, like the shirts from my church and, you know, bachelorette stuff. This one is all 5K t-shirts that I've done. So those ones I'm actually going to end up rotating in a way because of the way I move this pile around. So maybe you guys will get to see some ones I haven't worn in a while. This one, like I said, is my, you know, stained shirts that I use for projects. And then I have some like manly tank tops that I do wear a lot in the summer, and then some long sleeve shirts down here that I wear occasionally. So we're going to put these back in the closet, and then hopefully I can fit these purses on the top shelf. As you can see, like I said, I hoard t-shirts. I do need to get new containers. I found some that are canvas on Amazon. You can get 2 for like 23 or 30 or something. And I was thinking about getting those because then I could put more in here at a time. Actually, in all honesty, I could probably, no, they're not deep enough for that. Let's say rotate them, but, and this one's broken anyway, so. Okay, as you can see, the t-shirts are so much better organized and a lot less shuffled. I got the purses up here, so that's good. The rest of the stuff is pretty well organized. I did shift some of these clothes over a little bit more because I predominantly tend to stick in the sweatshirt section. So that way it's easier to get in and out of there without crushing things or knocking things down. And honestly, I didn't really touch the shoes because I really haven't worn many of them. And again, I have, you know, my trash pile. One thing I'm actually donating, the rest I put back under the bed as you saw, and then these bags I'll donate. Well, I might pull a purse out of there, I'm not sure yet, but that's everything there. Well, I'm not sure how long this video is actually going to be, seeing how I didn't go quite in as depth as I probably would have on a normal day. I'm just kind of blah today, but I wanted to get something accomplished, so. But either way, I did accomplish 3 tasks. I think it looks a lot better in my opinion. Hopefully it inspires you to do some decluttering and getting rid of some stuff that maybe you're not using anymore and it's just taking up space. But as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.